to celebrate the new series of Better Call Saul, I just couldn't help myself. I had to draw one. I have been a huge fan of Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul for, well, since they've been on. And the film, El Camino, as well. I think Saul is probably one of the best characters in Breaking Bad, and I'm so pleased he got his own spin-off. I mean, what a great idea that was. I've never drawn a Breaking Bad character before, so this is my very first. I'm not unhappy with the way the pencil sketches come out. It needs a little bit of work, but nothing a few little tweaks in the inking stage can't help. I drew him with a massive tie because I thought it was funny. He does wear some odd outfits on the show. I don't think we've seen a tie quite that big, but maybe this series, who knows? It could be the first time. Here we go, the colouring part. The fun part, get all those colours in. I think those are just about right for his skin and hair. Now his outfit's got to be some crazy colours. I did do some research and he wears a lot of mismatching ties and suits and all sorts of crazy get-ups. So I've chosen some very bold colours for this based on one of the outfits I saw in one of the pictures from one of the episodes. So you get ready for this. I mean, it's going to be bold. It's going to be bold, let's say that. There he is. I'm pretty pleased with him. It's my first attempt at a real-life Breaking Bad / Better Call Saul character, and I think it's gone quite well. As ever, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to get notified of all my future videos.